Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'm going to show you how to make egg noodles. This is an extremely easy recipe. They are delicious, they are fresh, and most importantly, they are made by yourself. Let's get started. For our egg noodles, we are going to need 110 grams of white all-purpose flour. We are going to need an extra 20 grams of the flour for later on to sprinkle. We are going to need 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. And we are going to need about 2-3 grams of salt, depending on how salty you'd like. First, we are going to start by adding our salt to the eggs. It's like more or less a pinch of salt. With a fork, we are going to mix it. The process itself is a bit messy, but no worries, the result is amazing. Okay, so we are removing our flour, putting on a surface, and we are going to work on the actual surface. Adding our egg mixture into the middle. And incorporating the flour in the eggs. So we incorporated the flour and egg mixture. Make sure that your surface is clean because we are working on the surface. And for the flour that we have here, I'm going to start just a bit sprinkling. We want to make sure that this dough is quite resistant for the noodles later on not to stick. So we have to knead it about 5 more minutes, and we will need to knead it until the moment when we are just putting our fingers here and it has to come back. Yeah, the dough is very resistant now, so in order to make it more flexible, I'm going to rest it for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, our dough is ready. And if I'm going to press with my finger slightly on the dough, it's going to bounce back. We are resting the dough for the gluten to relax, to be easier to work it out on our surface. So I'm going to remove the cling film, and I'm going to start rolling the dough. Make sure all the time that you are sprinkling your working surface with flour. And just like this with your hands first, and after with the rolling pin, we are starting to roll our noodles. You'll notice after like about 20-30 seconds that it becomes very hard to roll it. Just leave it for about a minute for the gluten to relax, and after again you can work on rolling this dough. You can as well relax a bit the dough by doing just like this. Now I'm going to start and roll our dough till about 2 millimeters thick. This is our pasta sheet. As you can see, it's very thin. So I have about 2 millimeters the thickness, and if you are going just to fold it, it's not going to stick or something. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put quite a lot of flour. And I will make sure that all the pasta is coated with the flour. So if I'm feeling that I need to roll it a bit more, I'm just working it quite easy to make it. You just take a rolling pin and roll it until you have the desired thickness. So this is my chopping board. So as I said, I'm going to cut my pasta in half, and half of it is going to be linguine pasta, and the half is just going to be the same linguine but shorter ones. So I'm going to have this length. So I'm going to sprinkle more flour. We want a lot of flour now because the last thing that we want about this pasta to stick. So we are just doing ribbons like this. Actually, the ribbons are going to be like this. And with a sharp knife, I can even cut it in half right here to be easier. And I'm going to start cutting 2 millimeters thick. Yeah. So look at this length of the pasta. Yeah, so it's homemade linguine. You can make it your own homemade pasta. So our linguine is ready. Just look how beautiful they are. And if you are going to do just like this with your finger, they're just going to open all of them. So this is your own homemade pasta, which tastes amazing because it's fresh and it's made by you. Okay, now the next one, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut the strips out of these ones, just like about 6-7 centimeters wide, just like a shorter linguine pasta. And this type of pasta, you can use it just like boiled with a sauce, or you can even use it in soups, or you can just boil and with a bit of butter, and it's amazing. So the same, I'm putting just laying the sheets one on top of each other, and I'm cutting 2 millimeters wide. Okay, and our second batch of pasta is ready as well. Just look how pretty they are. This was my recipe of homemade egg noodle pasta. This is my favorite recipe. It's super fast, super fresh, and it's the most satisfying thing when you see your result and you can taste your own made, like homemade pasta with, you can use it in the soups, you can use it with a sauce, or you just can use it with just plain with some butter and cheese. If you have any questions or any suggestions, you can leave them in the comments below. I'll love to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe as well, because I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.